Hello guys, welcome back by a brand new video. Today I'm gonna play Roblox Booga Booga. I'm just playing it. It's super fun. If I have free time, or I'm just playing it. I'm just finding some good mines. This is my base, cause you have all the time to find some mines. This is a mine. I'm on mined it, and I have how much steel mix? Yeah, I have 12 steel mix. I need to go down because I need to go to my basement. Oh, here has spawned gold node. There you can get the gold coins from. Then you have to smelt it. I have 39 bars, gold bars. And you have to smell it. To smelt it. I'm just trying to get to the. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Here's my base. It's not even. I'm just gonna spawn here. The campfire. Let me see the campfire. It's gonna be here. Yes, the campfire's here. I'm gonna spawn it in. I heard you have to do 4 of those. Then it's gonna be taking faster. I have a lot of wood. Wait, where did all my wood go? I don't know what was going on with my wood, but I think it's all gone because I did something with the wood. I'm not gonna do the coal because I'm gonna drop all the food. Let me just do all things. Okay, this one, this. Okay, and I will be back if it's gonna be done. Wait. Okay, I need to do some meat too. If this all done, I will gonna be back. Yeah. Is there something that I smell? Yeah, eggs. Okay, and yeah. Okay, guys, it's already done now, and yeah, I will just take it all. Now, yeah, this is some easy loot. This is actually going faster than ever. I hope nobody's gonna take my stuff and stuff. Yeah, I got some food right now, and this is my base. I'm just. Okay, here's some, yeah. Oh, I see a gold thing. Oh, what is this? A cooked egg, yeah. I have to stick my steel pick. Okay, and I have to mine it. It's gonna be taking faster if you do it this or no. I'm just doing this cause it's so, yeah, it's just fun to move around like that. And in this video, I will show you how do you get that armor, the red armor. Yeah, I will go there soon because I need to first have some good items to go there. And I'm gonna do the boss too. I know where it is, and yeah. Okay, but yeah, I will see you soon. If I don't, no, I'm not gonna do that. Nope. Go in my inventory. I need to make from it steel one. Yeah, steel mix. Yeah, how do you make steel mix? You need 1 coal and 2 raw iron, and then you have to make it. How much iron do I have? I have 3, and okay, this I can only make 1. Okay, I have to do it. Oh, I don't have to click on stone. I need to do this too. Raw iron. No, not the raw iron. Okay, I need to spare for the raw iron. Oh no, need to coal this one, and coal this one. It's so. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay here for a long time. Oh, why did I do that? we need to do this, and then, okay, got that one. I'm getting some easy XP, guys. And now 14. I'm getting some easy XP if you cook it. Oh no, I don't do that. Do my thing. Okay, I need some stone because I need to build so much, and it's gonna build a basement, and it's gonna take like things and stuff. And I will see you guys if it's gonna be I have a full steel. Guys, it's not done yet, but I think I'm going to another spot. Yeah, I'm going to another spot. First, I need to get this gold. If I die, yeah, then I would just fucking waste it. I'm just getting some easy gold stuff. Nobody can hurt me. I hope I'm gonna get the kick by the tribe, then I'm just gonna kill everybody. Okay, I'm just doing some easy stuff. Okay, I need to smelt first this gold, and then I'm going. Oh no. Okay, got the steel bar. Can I smelt something right now? I'm gonna eat this one. Cause, oh, it's delicious. I have some iron helmet. Just play things. Yeah. Oh, here was an iron bar. Okay, I didn't know that. Oh, strawberry. Nope. Okay, golden bar, steel bar. Oh, cool. Now it's spawning. Okay, I need to first get it. Oh, for the camp is going to die. Okay, I hope I got it out. Yeah, the camp is gonna die. If I need to get the wood too. Cause no, not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. Nope. Yeah, we'll just. I'll just go away. I'm gonna leave the spot. I'm gonna take this one, and do I have enough things? Yes, okay. Then we're going. Okay. I hope nobody's at my door. Okay. It's just good. Ooh. I need to. I'm not going away, but I'm just farming stuff, you know what I'm saying. Oh, you don't have to. Okay, better. No, don't gotta use my better legs. Nope, not. Okay, steel X. Where's a big tree? I need big trees. You know what I'm saying. Is this a big one? No. That's a big one there. Over there is a big one. But first I'm gonna do it all. Sorry for my background, but yeah, it's just play. Okay, got that one. I'm going pretty good right now. This is the big one. Oh, whoa, a small tree. I'm just gonna stand here. I would just wait. I would just stand here, hacking to the. I see if it's gonna be. Hey guys, we're done with the wood, with the thing. Oh, this is so much wood. Oh, logs and sticks. Oh, I'm gonna take the leaves too. Oh, so much. Okay, how much do I have right now? I have not so much, but kill it with my axe. Okay, then we got some food because we need food. Oh, we're already leveled up. I didn't know that because I didn't saw it. Okay, guys, we're now gonna go to the red thing. Let me see. Oh, it's so far away. But yeah. No, yeah, I'm just gonna go there. I will just leave this place and stuff. Mojo. Okay, this one. Oh, King's Crown. Golden Hood. Glory Fangs. Valor Fangs. I don't know. Not enough coins. How do you, guys? I know you can. Like that. No, not gonna drop that. I wanna. How do you actually like? Just clicking on it, but it's not turning on gold like that. Maybe it's gonna be. Yeah, it says. Yeah, it's. Oh, I'm go. Oh, is someone there? Okay, I'm gonna. Guys, I'm gonna just go there. I will just for you guys. It's just for 1 second to go there, and okay, guys, I see somebody, and yeah, I'm just gonna kill him. Hello, my friend. I'm gonna kill you. Ah, you didn't know that, right? Haha. Didn't know that. Come here. I will kill you. I go out. I will just go in your base and get out of here. Get out of here. Okay? Just go get out of here. Just go to your. Get out of here. Get out of here. You will do nothing. He only has 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Yeah, he's probably gonna die. Nope, not gonna happen. I'm not gonna get in. Okay. And now, I got some easy stuff from it. Okay. Input. Oh, okay. No. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna slope it. You think you can really hide here? No, my dude. Oh, I need to do it with my pickaxe. It's gonna be faster. Yeah, I knew it. Then I'm getting some. Oh, nothing. Just that. Okay. Gonna just. What is this? Oh, it's a tribe totem. Oh, no. I'm not gonna do that. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, that's my mother. Is doing all the time like that.
Hello.
Ow. I hate it when she does.
Hello.
No.
Hey.
Đi mình đá bàn thảo. Oh, mama just told me. But guys, yeah.
Hello, hi guys.
Maybe in the I'm just gonna try to get in there. I would just say something. I'm just gonna kill this thing, this giant shelly. Oh, you have to kill it with your pickaxe, okay? Not gonna happen today, my friend. Not gonna kill it. You're not gonna kill it. I am the strongest one. You don't have to strong it. Get distracted, dude. Just get out of my way. That they will. Just get out of my way. Just killing everybody what's standing in my way. I'm just killing this big stone shelly. Actually, I'm just killing everything what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna make some more videos on this thing. Don't steal my things, my dude. Don't steal it. Don't steal it. Don't steal it, my dude. Don't steal it. My dude, don't steal it, my dude. Don't steal it. If you try to steal it, I will just be angry and angrier. Okay. Thanks for my raw meat again, and I'm just gonna get in here easy squeezy. No access, okay. And here, no access to, yes, I know it. I need to kill a tribe, but I'm just gonna wreck his basement. Just wreck it. Just gonna wreck it. Yeah, but this is the end of this video. I will just see you guys.